There, this is going to be an exercise on taking a webinar, an existing slide deck, and using ChatGPT or AI to improve it, make it more compelling, make it hookier, etc. So what we did was we took the most recent one, February 18th, here, and I noticed that these were generally similar. So I downloaded it as plain text. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start talking to ChatGPT. This is a webinar slide deck I put together. I want to make compelling cookie, or however you spell it, right? It doesn't matter. ChatGPT will understand here. I want it to really resonate with my target market. Please give me three different variations of new titles, subtitles, and what they will learn. I mentioned to run advertising, so this will be to a cold market. Use digital marketing and sales funnel best practices without sounding superfluous. I always spell it wrong. Superfluous or over promising / scammy. All right, so I'm just going to upload this right here. This is the text file of it all. If you want to see what it looks like, well, it's not going to show up. You can't see that window, but it just downloads all the slides in text format. So, okay, it's going to do some market research on me. It's going to pop out 2 responses, which is okay. I mean, I think that's better for the sake of this video too. All right, so I like where it's going with this. Yeah, I really like response number 2 better. So what if it just popped out response number 1? Well, I'd say this is nice for a PDF, but this is not a compelling webinar title. So let's do this. I prefer this response. Great. Can we get a little more punchy? Now, here's a trick. I actually have webinar. I'll pop it over here. This is the prompt. If I have some sort of topic that I want to talk about, then I get it to create just the foundational outline. Compelling. Okay, so what I'm going to do is you can pause the video and read it. And I'm also going to copy this. What I don't want it to do is I don't want it to overpromise. I want to see what it pops out. I think these are good. These are good enough. Either one of these. And if you don't know which one to choose, tell ChatGPT, choose the one that you think will resonate the most. You know what? Actually, let's do that before this. I'm going to cut this. Choose the one you think will resonate the most with the target market and why. So a lot of times we get in a state of indecision because we're overloaded with choices. Well, let's lean on technology. Option 2, the dirty secrets of the financial advisor industry and how to protect wealth. Okay, interesting. Yeah, I was gonna go with this one. Why? I just maybe a little gut feeling. But here's the beauty of it: you can smash the two together. The dirty secrets of the financial advisor industry and how to protect your wealth without getting screwed. If you want to go at it with an angle of, even more educational for hiring a financial advisor, you can obviously go with this. The you could even smash it together: the dirty secrets of hiring a financial advisor, or the insider's guide to the financial advisors industry, etc. Cool. Okay. So now we make all three of those. Remember, if we just set it as can we make it, it's going to choose this one. We make all three of those. Whoa. Oh, man. So now we get into direct response copywriting, exposing the $20 billion advisor scam that's costing investors thousands every year. Is that going to be compliant to run on Facebook? I don't know. We will have to see. Um, I think this one is toeing the line. This would be great for native advertising, Google Display, Taboola for native advertising, maybe even YouTube ads. Talking about, hey, in this video, I'm going to expose the $20 billion advisor scam that's costing investors thousands every year. If you're looking to hire a financial advisor, keep watching. Whoa, hooky, right? So, all right. I don't like that one. Uh, overpaying, nah. For number one and number two, make those compliant for Facebook meta advertising. Let's see. Compliance friendly. I think it was a little too safe with this. Again, just test it, right? If it works, awesome. Keep it running until it doesn't. We want to be safe here, but we also don't want to be too timid. I think this webinar title would work well. Again, you're not necessarily advertising the webinar title itself in the Facebook ads. So here's what I would do. These are too safe. I don't like these. I'm going to do this. Those are great webinar titles. Create compliant ad copy for use on Facebook Meta. I can just edit it right there, and it takes away all the other stuff, so it's not remembering a bunch of stuff that it already created. Awesome. So you see where I'm going with this, right? It doesn't take too much. We created what? One, two, three, four different prompts using some base text and context. And you can see here, obviously, if you want to remove the emojis, remove them. Too many emojis, it makes it look AI generated. But what we've done here is we've taken something that would be presented in a lunch and learn seminar or like come to the bank breakfast, and then we've punched it up for higher converting, more hooky, more compelling, resonating, higher converting pages and titles and copy. So from here, what do you do? Well, the world is at your fingertips. So I encourage you to go through it and take away things you don't like. You can rewrite it and paste it in here and say, this is what I rewrote based on my target market. Or you can say, all right, now craft it towards 30 to 40-year-olds who don't have a financial planner. Again, I'm not trying to make this video too long, but I just want to show you the power of the prompt. And again, it saves it all up here. So as long as you have a Google Doc open on the other side, you can copy and paste it. Like, for example, I would definitely save these two. Great. Again, if you get into indecision mode or analysis paralysis, well, choose one or tell it to choose one. So awesome. All right. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was enlightening, gave you a couple aha moments. If you have any questions, please reach out.
Hey there, Daniel Pope here again. I want to take a couple seconds to talk about my company, Be Known. Now, Be Known exists to be a done-for-you service provider for online-based businesses, coaches, and those that sell online courses and information products. We help them grow from 6 figures to 7 figures and then into 8 figures. We do this because there's so much misinformation out there. So many people just selling a course or just a coaching program over how to grow. Well, we're different in the fact that we actually do it with our clients. We take care of the advertising. We take care of the email marketing, the tech, all the tech. Yes, all the tech, the landing pages, the funnels, the growth strategies and tactics. So I think of ourselves as a expert implementation team plus a fractional CMO per se that guides you every step of the way. So if you've listened to this podcast or an episode and said, okay, that's great, but I don't really know how to do that, or I just need help. Well, that's why we exist. So I want to invite you to a call with me, a consultation where we can talk through your business, talk through what's going on, what challenges you have, what constraints, what bottlenecks, and figure out a path forward. If we're a mutual fit to work together, great. If not, no problem. We'll send you on your way with resources and stuff that can help you get up to speed quick. So again, I invite you to talk more with me, and that is beknownonline.com. beknownonline.com/start is where you'll go. And I cannot wait to talk to you. Again, if you enjoyed this podcast, I'd love it if you can share with some friends. Otherwise, I'm looking forward to your success. Take care.